Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about what was one of the biggest winners of the past year. Continues to move up on Wednesday, was up over 4%, and that is Fiverr. Broke into a new 52-week high, up to 203.29. Just look at the last 5 days. It was at 185 5 days ago. A month ago, it was at 148. You go back 6 months ago, it was at 58. You go back to the beginning of the year, it was at 22. So this is a stock that has risen almost 1,000% year to date. And I have a feeling that this stock is not done with its run yet. And really because the stock really has won with two big trends. One is more people are looking for side hustles, and so they're going on to Fiverr. And Fiverr is kind of like the gateway entry if you're trying to find, either you're trying to buy gigs or you're trying to sell your services. It's usually the Fiverr is the first site you're going to go to, and then maybe you go to other sites like Odesk or something like that. Now, another reason why Fiverr is doing well, I do think because of the shutdown, people lost their job. They have to find a way to make money, so they went on to Fiverr to get gigs. But I also believe that when the economy reopens, a lot of people who did open their accounts on Fiverr and a lot of people who start doing business on Fiverr are going to continue to do so. It's not something that you say, okay, once you build client, the thing about Fiverr is when you go on Fiverr and you start selling stuff, you start building client relationships. It's not like someone buys one gig from you and you never hear from again. Usually about a third to a half of all business on Fiverr ends up becoming like repeat business. So it's hard to sort of get into Fiverr and decide to get out. If you find, like for instance, if you're a buyer of services, if you find someone who's really reliable and really good, you're going to continue to buy from that someone. On the other hand, if you're a seller and you find a client that continues to give you work and make you money, you're going to continue that relationship. So Fiverr is definitely in the business of long-term business relationships, and it should be perceived that way. And that's why I think this is a company that that has risen 1,000% in 1 year and will continue to rise because those long-term relationships will continue to give the company increased revenue and increased profit and increased growth. So definitely take a look at Fiverr. You want to wait for it to pull back. It may pull back a little bit, but I do think over the next year and at least 1 year to 3 years, I could definitely see this company continue to move higher. It trades under the NYSE under the stock ticker FVRR. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.